Okay, hi everybody. This is Paul. I wanted to demonstrate this new tool that I made to work on iPad, iPhone corners. Basically, I've had a person machine this for me. I've looked at several different tools, and I know they have some other nice tools, G tool, etc. But I wanted to make something that was a little bit simpler, a little bit quicker to use. So I came up with this. I had a friend of mine machine this out of Delrin. It's just industrial grade plastic. It's pretty tough. And then I have several different radiuses for different devices around the edge in these corners. So and then I also came up with this this other tool just basically to straighten to use for kind of tap out the corners with. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this real quick. So let's see. So basically what I've done here is let me see here. I'll get some better light. Okay, so what I did here is you can see that I put a insert into my workbench here. Basically it's a table, but it's my workbench. It's a threaded insert that I just drilled a hole, screwed this actually what I did is I put some epoxy around here, and then I screwed it into the desk to make it pretty tough so it wouldn't come loose from pounding on it and stuff, but it would probably hold pretty well just from screwing it in there. But anyway, so I screwed this in. I have my mat here, and I'm just going to go ahead and demonstrate this. So what I have here is I just have it's kind of like a wing nut with the bolt on it, so it's just one piece. So I use this to attach it to the table. Just screw it on here, and so what I'm going to do is I have see if we can see this here. Got this corner on this iPad mini that's kind of dented in. You can see it there. And these aren't real bad, but I just wanted to give everybody an idea how to use the tool here. You see I've got an old iPhone 5 case here that's kind of dented. See, you can see that. So it's not much, but it's enough to keep the glass from sitting in the housing properly, and it'll end up either popping out later, or you can break the glass when you're trying to put it back in. So anyway, here we go. I'm just going to go ahead and try to demonstrate this here. So I just tighten it down and set it into the radius that fits the device that I'm using. And let me see if I can get a good angle here. So guess some glasses would help. Okay, so on this tool I've got a pretty, it's kind of a thin edge on it so that it fits, that way it fits underneath here, and I'm trying to avoid damaging that lip. So let's see, it doesn't take much. This I guess anybody that's worked on one of these knows this aluminum edge. These edges are pretty thin, so don't need a big hammer. Don't need a lot of force on it. So let's see, it's pretty round now. It's still a little bit off, but I guess it gives you an idea of how to use the tool. Sure that glass would fit in there nicely now. And well, as you can see, this lip is sticking up a little bit right here. I've seen some people use big files to trying to take this lip down, but I always use these smaller, kind of like jeweler's files. So let's see that. So And I'll follow this edge down just a little bit just to take that rough edge off. And then usually what I'll do after that is I'll take a little bit of 1500 grit sandpaper and just kind of sand it off a little bit, make it look a little bit nicer. So anyways, that's about it. I've got, you see I have an iPad mini here. It's got a slightly different radius on it. Not much, they're pretty close actually to an iPhone 5. We have this one here that's got a bit of a dent in that corner right here. You can see that. So I'm going to put this right here. Let's see if you can see that. So you don't want to pound on it too hard. This doesn't take a lot of force to get these back out to where the glass will fit in there nice. So still a little bit more. I usually just do a little bit at a time, take my time on it and look at it. You don't want to push it out too far. So, and that radius will keep it from going too far, but so that looks pretty good right there. So anyway, basically that's it. I just wanted to give everybody an idea of my tool. I had several people express an interest in these. I was selling some other stuff and somebody saw me using these, so or using this tool, and so I decided to go ahead and put it online and see if some people want to buy some of these. So anyways, I'm going to have a link to my eBay site and Amazon where I'm going to have these if you're interested in buying one, and thanks for watching. Bye.